Hello students, I'm your class teacher Miss.Rafiya Anjum and now I am going to teach you English. In English, today we will learn a new alphabet and the alphabet is letter S. The first one is capital S and the second one is small s. Students, the phonic sound of letter S is S. The phonic sound of letter S is S. So, now I am going to tell you one story of letter S. So, listen carefully. Shaina is a smart girl. She is 7 years old. She lives on Star Street. She also sings songs. One day, Shaina sees a snake while going to school. So students, this is the story of letter S. There are so many words that begins with letter S like smart, 7, street, sings, snake, school.